As an announcer, you always don't have to have a stand. So here we go. Once again, it's my pleasure, and I thank you for the opportunity to share our athletic award winners for the 2024-2025 school year. Our winners will be taking the stage after hours and hours, year after year of hard work to excel in their given sports. Without further ado, let's announce this year's award winners. First, the Harry Bird Memorial Award is given to an outstanding senior football and wrestling athlete. This year's honoree has been a strong leader on the football field and led the Rams as a captain. On the wrestling mat, his coaches described him as a natural leader. This year, he advanced to the 2025 State Wrestling Championships, also known as the MAC Classic, the state wrestling tournament. This year's Harry Bird Memorial Award winner is Curtis Wright. Ladies and gentlemen, Curtis Wright. Our next award